One glass of this golden milk can do wonders for diabetics. Golden milk has been making waves in the health community lately, right? And for a good reason. Buying regular milk has suddenly become boring, I guess. Why not liven it up? Fill your cup with some bright yellow goodness. The unique blend of turmeric and other warming spices that contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that many studies suggest hold the key to protection against a host of diseases, including diabetes and heart disease. Now, sipping on golden milk is an easy and delicious way to promote your better health. It's almost too good to be true, right? But stick around because I will give you exact ingredients and how to make it in this video. If you are looking to lower your blood sugar levels, then the right ingredients can help, like those that make up the golden milk, right? Researchers show that both ginger and cinnamon are especially helpful in this quest. Cinnamon, especially Ceylon cinnamon, could reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%, and ginger may decrease them by up to 12%. But wait, there is more. Cinnamon and ginger may also help reduce insulin resistance and lower the hemoglobin A1C levels. As you know, they are a marker of long-term sugar control. Turmeric, the vibrant yellow spice most often used in curries, is a star ingredient in this golden milk, which gives the color as well. It's no wonder that this ancient Ayurvedic remedy has been getting so much attention lately. Not only does turmeric give your golden milk recipe an eye-catching color, but the active compound in it, you already know that, right? Curcumin, which what we use in our famous Sugar MD advanced glucose support supplement, which is known for its potent antioxidant abilities and blood sugar lowering features. It helps combat oxidative cell damage, which can lead to reduction in chronic inflammation. And as you know, chronic inflammation may lead to serious problems such as diabetic complications and so forth. But it's not just turmeric you need to worry about. Be sure to throw some Ceylon cinnamon and ginger into the mix too. They're both full of antioxidant power. Who said getting your daily dose of health had to be so tasteful, right? Who said getting your daily dose of health had to be taste dull, right? In terms of relieving joint pain, it also seems that curcumin has popped up to show against a traditional medicine. Not only does this natural substance have comparable anti-inflammatory effects to pharmaceutical drugs, but it does so with none of the unpleasant side effects. You remember what are the side effects of ibuprofen and all the NSAIDs that you take? Naproxen and over-the-counter painkillers. They kill your kidneys. They give you stomach ulcers, right? But research shows that 500 milligrams of curcumin daily can reduce the joint pain, especially even in those with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. They are more effective than 50 grams of common arthritis drug, and that is, you can call it a superfood, right? Now, ginger extract also looks like it could have a positive effect on osteoarthritis, according to results from one thrilling 6-week study. At this rate, our kitchen cupboard may become the new pharmacy. No prescription required. These are good stuff. Brain health also is increasingly important, especially among diabetics, and the studies don't lie. Curcumin has been found to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps create new connections in your brain and promote the growth of brain cells. Now, low levels of BDNF are linked to diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. So this is welcome news, right? But curcumin is not the only one on the action with brain-boosting properties. Cinnamon and ginger and other ingredients have been credited with increased memory, reaction time, and even reduced symptoms of Parkinson's disease. by many researchers. It seems like Mother Nature, I call it God, really has our best interest at heart, right? It looks like turmeric might be the key to reducing also depression. Curcumin, which is the active compound in turmeric, was a star in a 6-week study in which 60 individuals with major depressive disorders took either curcumin or an antidepressant or a combination of the two. In case you're wondering who won out, apparently, it is the combination group who noticed the most improvement. But why? Well, research suggests that low levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, can be associated with depression. But curcumin appears to boost that BDNF levels, as a result having potential benefits against depression as well. To get solid evidence though, more studies are needed for sure. So until then, we will just keep munching on that turmeric. An important part of maintaining a healthy heart also is, remember from other videos we talked about this, proper endothelial function, the cells that line up your arteries. Something that curcumin may just be able to help with that as well. Now, a study on people undergoing heart surgery proved that those who were given 4 grams of curcumin before and after the surgery had 65% lower chance of having a heart attack while they were in the hospital than people in the placebo group. While these potential benefits are still being researched, and as a scientist, I always look for more and more studies, and I know we need more studies for stronger conclusions, but it appears that the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin may protect against cardiovascular diseases as well. So if you are looking to spice up your heart health, consider some of this turmeric-derived powerhouse into your diet. Now let's make this golden milk at home. It is super easy. It's like following a recipe for success. All you need is a half a cup of unsweetened milk of your choice. It can be any milk. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 small piece of grated fresh ginger, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of ground black pepper, and additionally, maybe a little bit of a honey or maple syrup. So you have diabetes, remember, choose the milks that are not high in carb, and when you're going with the honey or anything, don't go overboard, okay? Now, simply mix them up, all the ingredients in a small pot, and let them simmer until they're nice and fragrant. Strain out the drink into mugs and top with extra sprinkle of Ceylon cinnamon if you feel fancy. But if you're not in the mood to brew it up this warm beverage in the moment, you can always store any leftovers for up to 5 days. So make golden milk part of your regular routine, all right? It is sure to bring lots of amazing health benefits as well as yummy flavor to boot. Again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.